Man, the consciousness of the universe, awakens in us. Kardec explains that man occupies the last rung of the organic being scale and the first of the spiritual. It is the transition point where intelligence individualizes and reason replaces instinct. In man, the spirit gains self-awareness and begins to exercise free will, becoming responsible for his acts and destiny. Thus, the human being is, at the same time, animal and spirit, matter and light, nature and consciousness. Modern science confirms that the human body is the result of millions of years of biological evolution. Comparative genetics show that we share more than 98% of DNA with other primate species. But Kardec goes further. He recognizes the biological origin of the body, but distinguishes the immortal spirit as the guiding principle. Human life cannot be explained solely by biology. It is the fusion of the material with the spiritual, the union of clay with divine breath. Evolutionary anthropology describes how humanity slowly emerged from animality, acquiring language, symbolic thought, and moral consciousness. These milestones are not just neurological advances, but spiritual leaps. Each stage of human evolution represents an awakening of consciousness, driven by the law of progress that Kardec described as universal. Man is not the product of chance, but the result of a millennia-old education of the spirit through forms. Kardec states that the human body was prepared to serve as an instrument for intelligence. His higher faculties, speech, memory, and reasoning, reflect the presence of the spirit. But the true man is not in the physical appearance. He is in the soul that thinks, loves, and creates. The body is the temporary clothing. The spirit is the real being that animates it. Modern neuroscience confirms that the human mind surpasses the limits of the brain. Near-death experiences, telepathy, and spontaneous memories of past lives suggest that consciousness can exist independently of the physical body. These observations support the spiritist doctrine. The brain is the instrument, not the source of consciousness. The mind survives because it belongs to the spiritual dimension. Quantum physics also reinforces this idea by revealing that reality is not purely material. At the subatomic level, matter behaves like informed energy, a field sensitive to observation and intention. This suggests that consciousness is a fundamental force of the universe, not a secondary product of biology. The human spirit, therefore, is a spark of this universal consciousness, individualized to evolve through experience. Kardec teaches that man is called to master matter, not through power, but through love and wisdom. His role on earth is to be a co-creator with God, morally improving himself and contributing to collective progress. By understanding the laws of nature and applying them ethically, man consciously participates in the divine work. Science without morality is blind. Faith without reason is fragile. Spiritism unites them, showing that knowledge and love are the two wings of human ascension. From a spiritual point of view, man is a spirit incarnated in a learning process. His pains and struggles are opportunities for growth, his moral victories, steps on the ladder of perfection. Earth is his school, and death is merely a change of room. Each life is a lesson, and destiny is the diploma of evolution. Kardec's spiritual anthropology affirms that there is no rupture between man and the universe. There is continuity. The same cosmic fluid that forms the stars vibrates in our cells. The same divine intelligence that orders the worlds dwells in our consciousness. We are, therefore, conscious atoms of God, fragments of infinity in the process of self-discovery. Thus, man is the synthesis of creation, body of matter, soul of light. His role is to reveal, through reason and love, the presence of God within himself. When science fully understands this truth, there will be no more separation between faith and knowledge, between science and spirituality. If this reflection has awakened reverence for the greatness of the human being, share it. Because understanding man is recognizing that we are the universe becoming aware of itself, and that in every heart beats the eternal thought of God.